guys. Today's date is 2nd Jan, and I'm in this position. Currently, I'm in a bullish triangle. My view is simple, like the market is going up, so I will be staying bullish only. Uh, Let me show you the screen. As you can see, this is the trend. This is the upside trend is showing. So my my positions are aligned in such a way that it will not get hurt in case of up move. So currently I'm down by 0.2%, not 0.2%, 0.15%. So about today our risk would be 12,000, and our focus or our target would be 15,000 to 24,000. Okay, so we'll try for that 15,000 or 24,000, but our max risk would be around 12,000. Currently straddle is also around 190, 194, which is very unusual on expiry day of Nifty. So it used to be around 150, like that used to give some safety also, but yeah, we can't complain. It's good for us if anything if everything goes well, then it's good for us, like high premiums, which is always the good case for us. But right now some unusual things are happening. Both side premiums are rising, and it's just a little bit confusing. I'm seeing right now. So we'll see how things are turning out. But currently I'm in this position. If I show you my straddle chart, then here you can see it was around 230, at the start, and now it is around 195. So fine, no complaint about at least a straddle at least. So yeah, currently we are down by 2200, which is fine. It can be manageable, and if one or a good behavior by premiums, if they start good behavior, then we can definitely make use of that, and we can leverage with high quantities. So the issue also is there of first, like before this ELM rule, max those SEBI's few restrictions has came into effect, which led to so many things which are against our interest. So right now, as you can see, like with the 20 lakh capital, we can only punch 750 quantities. Like I remember I used to punch 2000 quantities on 20 lakhs of capital. Like you can punch 2000 quantities on 20 lakhs of capital, but right now the condition is that you can punch maximum 800 quantities, like more than 50% to 50%, like 60% drop in quantity and everything. So it is like it's always like it would be same. It would have same effect on returns also. But yeah, fine, part and parcel of the game, part and parcel of the business. So that's what we have to understand. Right now nothing is happening. Premiums are looking kind of scary. I don't know why, but they are looking scary. We'll see how things are turning out. Call side is, I don't know what is happening there. Premiums, both side premiums are rising. My MTM is stable, but still both side premiums are rising, and that is not the good case for us. Let me change the, okay, I have changed strike, so there is no need to worry. Okay, we have changed our strike 25, let me, and then 45, and then 44. So our SL orders are placed. So if anything happens, you know, our SLs will get triggered. Then it is fine because the SLs are for safety, not for it has to get triggered. Otherwise, if big move is there, and if like if your SL is not placed, then that might cause a big problem in future because the move, whatever the move or spike will come, everything is irrational. So if something is happens and if it continues, then that would be disaster for the account or the capital you are trading with. So you have to consider, you have to keep in mind those things also. Right now we are having some issues. We are having uh, yeah, currently it's not looking good for us, but yeah, we are managing that and we will be fine, I guess, because the premiums are looking stable. Okay, our one SL order got triggered. We are still with another SL order. It is so this is the benefit, right? Like if this is the benefit of keeping two SL orders in place. So if anything happens, so the other order will save from that spike. Currently my quantities are also less because I don't have trust on market today, because of this, some irrational things are happening, and it might lead to uh, you know I'm not feeling good about the market. That's it. That's why I'm keeping low quantities. My quantities used to be usually around 400 500, but right now I'm being very conscious. Once I found if I'll found the market is tradable and good to go, and then I will definitely ramp up my quantities. Let me Now I have revised my all the SLs. Yeah, looks great. We'll see how things are turning out. There is not much promise from the premiums, but still we are here, and yeah, we'll see how things are turning out. Now puts are giving some pain. Okay, puts are now, as you can see here. Let me show you. Look, the premium puts are now spiking up, and calls are not even coming down. This side is call side premiums and this side is put side premiums. So they are spiking up, but call side are not coming down. Okay, fine. We'll manage the position. Don't worry. Now our loss has increased to, okay, no, it's just because of the put side, I guess. So yeah, once our one leg will get triggered, then there is no need to worry. We have placed SL for one leg, and the issue with the put side premium is that like the market is going upside, but and we are in a bullish position, but these kind of reversals are like they will hit your SLs, and those things can happen. So that is the one thing we have to keep in mind. Currently we are down by, okay, minus 300. Fine. I'm not leaning towards changing the put side because I do feel that the market will go up, and yeah, this is what happening right now. So yeah, I'll update once after the sanity, if market returns to sanity, or whatever it is there, whatever is there, I will update you once about the positions and all. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to the update number 2. So, lot of things happened and most of things went against me. Now we are currently around 0.4% loss, which is 5,000. We'll see how things are turning out. The premiums are not being, helpful. So this is the chart. As you can see, this is the condition of the call side. It's just spiking. Now this premium 24,100 went to uh, 75 from 31. Whereas it was put premium which was at 56, 56 or 60. Now it's just at 45. So the put side and call side are not compensating with each other. Just call side are exploding, and which is giving a lot of pain. So I don't know. I'm just trying here. I'm just betting uh, in the market as I whenever I will see the opportunity of entry, I will enter, because it's a 1237, and I will show you the straddle chart also. It's at 174. Like, it started from 220 and now it's just at 172, 174. So now just 2.5 hours are left for the averaging, and a lot of juice is there, to squeeze. So I think that now there is good opportunity. Also, the premiums are also reacting very nicely. So if I'll take now, basically the risk reward is very good right now. If properly, if someone manages their risk, then definitely the risk reward is great now, because just 2.5 hours are left only, and 170 straddle is like a dream, for option seller. If just 2.5 hours are left and it will go to zero, then but yeah, the conditions are not favorable for us. Right now I think it's giving decay. Let me plan for my entry. I'm just checking the premium behavior and everything. Yeah, it's a good, and now the upside momentum is happening. I'm planning for entry actually, so let me silent for a few seconds. Let me think about this. Actually, the level has crossed, like 24,000 level has crossed, as I showed you about that level. It has crossed. Now still the premiums are not helping. They are not helpful. But yeah, there was like put side were kind of helpful for some time, and I was heavily biased on the put side, but at the end it was like I thought that the market will be around 23,900 level, but it went about 24. Now it crossed 24,000, and 15 minutes will close now. 15-minute candle will close above 24,000. So it's a great sign of upwardness. So market might go upside, but I don't know. It just like the behavior is looking like that, but the OI is telling different story. Heavy OI is at 24,200 and 24,300. So I don't think now we can see some momentum here. I don't think that would happen. And now our risk is also like, now my risk would be 6,000, like only 5,000. Now 5,000 we are at loss. So till 6,000, that would be the next time I would go for yeah, my SL will hit there, like first SL kind of. So currently I'm taking some entry. I feel that market is kind of helping here, but okay, let me take the entry. So I have taken the entry. It seems that a good decay would happen. Decay will happen. Might this entry might backfire also. So I'm putting SL. So yeah, now everything is fine. I'll just add some. Yeah, I have added strikes here. So we don't need these. This also. So currently we are down at okay. Now it's showing great sign of weaknesses in premium. So I don't think there is any issue in ramping up the quantity. So So yeah, I have placed the SLs and everything. Now we have to just wait and watch, things, how things are turning out and all. If this SL hits, I will shift my position to from 23,900 to 23,800. I just want to be now safe. Like the behavior is very bad. Yeah, we'll see how things are turning out, and as per that, we'll take the decision. So yeah, if anything is there, I'll update in next. I'll update next time. So right now the position is looks like this. Uh, yeah, fine. So guys, welcome to the update number 3. Now the time is 1:42, 1:45. Still 75 minutes are left for the averaging, and now we are having profit of 11,000. So a lot of things, as I said, happened around 12:30, 12:40. Suddenly the crush started on the put side. Call side has not decayed much, but the put side has lost their value completely. Like if I'll show you yeah, here you can see the 61 call option has come down to 8, from 63 to 8, whereas this call option 27 still is hovering around 27. So put value has lost all their value, while call hasn't gained anything. So it means that my positions were I have my positions like on the put side. So I benefited about that. I was around 5,000. I was in a loss of 5,000 rupees. Then I got recovered, and then now I'm sitting on a profit of around 10,000, 11,000. It's hovering here and there, but yeah, fine. Now just the threat is that the market is going still, it's going upward, right? Like it's not stopping. So now our only goal is to uh, manage the positions right now, like to not let bleed the positions, and to play as safe as possible, because we have to protect this profit, right? Like we cannot give this profit as like it's now earned profit. So I do not have any plans to uh, go aggressive or anything like that. If anything is there, I will go aggressive, but not right now. Like there is so much noise is there, and I don't want to get involved into that noise. I just want to protect my profit, whatever is there. Currently, it's around 10,500 rupees. So yeah, we are we are doing good here. We have placed our SLs and everything. Our now trailing SL would be 7,000 rupees. Like from here, we will lose only 7,000 rupees, uh, which is our 0.6%, like 7,200 rupees, which is our 0.6%. So the current plan is we have now 6 to 10,000 rupees more to gain, and we will be giving only 3,000 rupees. So that is the thing. Now, my current plan is very simple. Just I'm sitting on these small premiums, this small range, which is 150 point range, and I will be waiting for 3 o'clock. And I think these premiums will decay slowly. So I don't think any issue will come. But yeah, if anything has happens like spikes and everything, that might be the case. But yeah, we'll encounter that too. Currently, it's going smoothly. The market was very tricky. I knew that something is there. Uh, some at some time the decay will start, and the premiums were like behaving nicely. So I was confident on the premiums that they will not be very erratic. I was very confident on them, but again the thing was that they were not decaying, so that was the issue. But now they started decaying. They gave good cushion. Like I have recovered around like I came to zero, like from 5,000, and then I made 10,000. So it's like 15,000 rupees swing. So it was nice. uh, Let me adjust my position. Okay, so now we are just going up, going down. Once I'll hit my 1% target, like which is 12,000. My today's risk was 12,000, as I said in these videos also. So as soon as I will hit that, I will be going very conservatively. Like I have my plan from 1%, because now there is not much to gain. Uh, from 12,000, I might, maximum I can gain around maybe another 10,000. But that is not worth the risk, which might be, which if something happens, if big candle or anything, I might lose this profit also. So I'm not taking any big risk now. Just playing, uh, just playing simple, not going fancy, or not taking any risky bet anytime soon. So yeah, we'll see how things are working out. Currently, we are having profit of 11,000. If something is there, I'll update in the next video. But yeah, right now everything is going smooth and fine. So yeah, now we will be meeting in the final update only. Fine. Okay. Final update. We are closing with 12,000 profit. It was quite interesting, and also somewhat you can say that, if you are not present for a few moments, then you would have lost that money. Like that type of day it was. So I guess I will show you the straddle chart. So this is the straddle value, which was 178 at 12:30, 12:45 also it was 169, and then from 12:45, within 1 hour, it just crashed to 50, like 120 point, 140 point decay in the straddle value. So yeah, that's it. It was very smooth decay from this point, and I was present. I have used that decay properly to get benefit. Maximum profit I saw, which was 14,000, and I went to 10,000 also. But yeah, at the end, I'm able to recover. I'm able to close at 12,000 profits. So it was an interesting day. It was kind of strange day, I would say. But yeah, nothing much to share now, because it was just, as you can see from here, like from from here, the decay has started, like in this up move. So it was like in this consolidation, the very good decay was happening. Then this move started, and after 2 o'clock, I would say there was not much decay. Uh, if you can see straddle chart properly, then you will get to know that the decay was not uh, like after 45, like from 170 to 45, the decay was very smooth. But after that, there was no uh, decay, was nothing, like there was nothing like decay. But then at 3 o'clock, all the decay happened, whatever which was remained, all the decay happened after 3 o'clock. So yeah, it was a good day. I thought I would close around 18,000, like 1.5%, but I'm closing with 1%. It's fine. A good day. But yeah, it could have been great. But yeah, I'm happy with the result, uh, and I'm closing with 12,000 profit. So it's a good day after yesterday's loss. After we lost yesterday maybe 1,500. So yeah, tomorrow Sensex expiry. I will be trading Sensex expiry. I will upload the video also. So stay tuned. And yeah,